Hello everyone. This is Guru Schools. We are into IT training, staffing, consulting, and outsourcing services. So Guru School is here again with a new track of training called SS. So it's Statistical Analysis System. So let's see how SS is going to help you to build your career with with the platform of Guru Schools. So this is Ashwini Chinsole, who is going to introduce to you with SAS. So Guru School is strongly standing in market with its 6 pillars. The first pillar is instructor-led training. Certificate is the second. Third is resume preparation. Fourth, vendor interview. Fifth, client interview. And sixth, project support. So with this platform of Guru School, it provides various IT related trainings. One of them, we are going to now get introduced with SAS. So SAS, it stands for Statistical Analytics System. We provide you a training for 3 months, which will comprises of base SAS and advanced SAS. So this training will go for 3 days a week, and it would be for 2 hours. So you have ample of time for revision as you get an alternate day and 1 day gap to practice your tasks. What is SAS? As you all know, in the previous slide, you got introduced to SS stands for Statistical Analysis System. It's an enterprise system comprises of various tools and softwares, and it has 2 flavors. One is programming and one is non-programming. So yes, you have an option to work as a programmer as well as a non-programmer as you move ahead in your career on SS platform. Now let's understand why SAS as a career. SAS delivers the intelligence and confidence for an organization to make knowledge-based decisions for a company or an enterprise or an organization as a whole. Through a centralized controlled platform, SAS provides integration, analysis, and reporting for your data. So the career path as a SAS programmer, you have the various industries where you have a very good opportunities as SAS programmer or SAS data analysts. So we have banking sectors, we have insurance sectors, we have financial sectors, pharmaceutical sectors, and we have one of the arm of pharmaceutical sectors called as clinical research. And of course, industries which involve into research and development. So let's understand how banking and financial industries are implementing SAS, and they are ready to use solutions into the various areas of banking and finances. One of its model is credit risk models, which provides financial institutions in-depth insights into all the areas of potential risks like mortgage payments and of course, fraud detections. Telecom industry. So SAS provides telecom industry business analytics softwares and services, which helps to make the decision faster, not only for the organization, also for the customers to select the various plans into telecom industries for which they are going to use the particular service providing company. So some of the solutions are customer retention, cross-sell and upscale, payment risks, campaign managements in telecom industry. So clinical industry, so this industry is the major use of SAS been used by this industry. As we know, clinical industry is the arm of pharmaceutical industry where the product or the molecule which has been tested on animals and human beings for its safety and efficacy has to be launched into market. Before launching, the analysis done on human beings called as clinical trials and preclinical trials on animals has to be analyzed and reported to the regulatory body. And as per the US FDA regulations and guidance, which is mentioned in their CRF 21 CRF Part 11, they require the reporting to be done electronically by using CDISC models, and this is best done by SS. Hence, clinical industry is the leading industries which is implementing SaaS, and they're looking ahead for the professionals with apt technical knowledge which can write the code and generate the reports for regulatory bodies for their data to get approvals. Yes, the next industry is healthcare industry. Healthcare industry is also implementing SaaS to improve the cost control and revenue generations for the doctors, the institutions, the healthcare institutions, the hospitals, which helps the ability to explore clinical outcomes and raise the level of patient care. So understanding the backgrounds of how SaaS has been used in various industries and their solutions and how benefiting the industries. So this is one of your lucrative career as a SaaS specialist. Now, as compared to various 10 demanding careers which have been excelling into the market currently are enterprise IT architecture, cloud storage distribution, big data analysis, project management. So apart from this highly paid job opportunities, SaaS is no way lesser than this highly demanding jobs. So when it comes with the career in SaaS, one has to think about their salary and how it is beneficial for them monetary wise. So let's look into one of the job seekers or job portals, which is Glassdoor. So the average salaries earned by a mid-level or a starting level SaaS analysts ranges from nearly 83 to 85K yearly. So this is the job by Glassdoor. Indeed is also showing us the same thing. It's nearly 84K. Talent is trying to tell us the clinical programmer is earning nearly 100,000 K. So what are you waiting for? Come to us, inquire with us, write an email to inquiries@guruschool.com, training@guruschools.com. Visit our website www.guruschools.com. Of course, visits our YouTube and LinkedIn pages for more information. So this is an opportunity for each and every one of us who are looking ahead the career into IT, for the professionals as well as the non-professionals, for the freshers as well as for the experienced, for those who are from life sciences background as well as from IT backgrounds, for those who have gap in their career, especially ladies with various career gaps due to family responsibilities. So come, inquire with us, look ahead a very lucrative and a positive and a very challenging career into SaaS. And of course, this is the one of the entry area into IT industry for life sciences people to come and make your career into SaaS and earn a six-figure salary, where we Guru School is providing this platform to create your career a very dashing career. So inquire with us and wish you all the very best for your career. So let's come ahead, jointly get trained and jointly get placed from Guru School for this opportunity into IT for your six-figure salary on SaaS. So wish you all the very best, looking you all with us in few upcoming future. Get trained, get placed through Guru Schools and get your dream job into IT. So come ahead, inquire with us, write an email at training@guruschools.com, inquire about SaaS and get enrolled as early as possible. So why are you waiting? Let's meet in our upcoming sessions. Till then, take care, bye, and wish you all the very best. Thank you for viewing this short video of your career guidance.